Today we are making garlic chili lime noodles. This is a family favorite recipe that is both easy to prepare and delicious in the way that has you excited for the next bite. Let's go shopping. We like to use these rice noodles, but you can use any type of noodle you want. We also use this chili oil. There are many types out there, so find the kind that suits you. Start by chopping cilantro and green onion. In a pan, heat up some oil. Add garlic. Add soy sauce, fish sauce, and rice wine vinegar. Add chili oil. Add lime juice and lime zest. Let this simmer for a minute. Next, add your noodles. Stir the noodles to mix them in the sauce. Add cilantro and green onion. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.